Drafting is more than lines on a page. It's a language of vision becoming real. At VH Institute, we believe learning drafting should feel clear, modern, and connected to real opportunity. This is where design ideas begin to take shape, where students learn how to think through floor plans, elevations, site layouts, and construction documentation with greater confidence and clarity. We're building an experience that helps aspiring drafters move beyond guessing and start understanding the structure behind residential design. Because learning drafting is not about creating drawings. It's about learning how to communicate ideas, solve problems, and support the process of bringing homes and projects to life. At VH Institute, our goal is to make drafting education feel more approachable, more elevated, and more aligned with the future. A place to build skill, a place to build confidence, a place to build direction. If you're ready to explore residential drafting in a way that feels professional, visually guided, and purpose-driven, this is where your next chapter can begin. VH Drafting Institute. Learn more at vhdrafting.com/institute.